Auzu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today is 24th February 2017. Now I want to tell you in this video how the Antichrist 666 Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and his vice regents fooled the people. See, first of all, it was a sign of end days. 10 major end days signs are mentioned in Quran and Hadith. Based upon Quran and Hadith, it is mentioned in Hadith. Out of that, first sign is the Masih Dajjal, the Antichrist 666. Did you understand? So it was a sign of the Allah to test the mankind through a false Messiah. Before that, 30 small will come. 30 small Dajjals, imposters will come. And after that, the Masih Dajjal will appear. So it happened. So that is also a sign of Allah. That is the Messiah of the Shaitan in disguise of a true Muslim. So that is Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and his vice regents. Remember, it is a complete religious dynasty. It is mentioned in the Revelation chapter number 13. First beast, second beast, then 7 heads, 10 horns, the second beast with 2 horns, and then the Antichrist code 666. In Arabic, if we write Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, the correct characters are 666, including vowels. Because he was a Muslim, and it was prophesied that Antichrist will be a Muslim born, and it happened from the Jewish tribe, but a false Messiah. And his vice regent is also the Masih Dajjal, the Antichrist. It is a complete dynasty which is mentioned in Old Testament 2 Esdras also in chapter number 11. Did you understand? During the fourth Masih Dajjal, the fourth animal, the Messiah was supposed to arrive from Hyderabad, the place of lion, against the Masih Dajjal. So it happened. So how did Masih Dajjal cheat, and what is it an accident? No, nothing is an accident in the world. Even accidents are also mentioned in the books of the Almighty, Yahweh, Heavenly Father. So I am the Jesus Christ of second coming, the Messiah Mahdi salam. And how did the Masih Dajjal cheat the people? First of all, he adopted the full resemblance of a prophet. He adopted the full resemblance of a true Muslim through acts also. He was a pious person, very good. But he was not the real Messiah. How he cheated the mankind? It is mentioned in the Muslim prophecy that Jesus Christ will come and kill the Masih Dajjal. The word is Masih Dajjal, the false Messiah, not just the Dajjal. Okay, remember. At Dajjal means the particular Dajjal, the Masih Dajjal. Masih Dajjal means the false Messiah. So false Messiah was supposed to come. So how did they cheat? And it is mentioned that false Messiah's fourth vice regent shall appear in a white donkey, in a white aeroplane. So he was born in 1835 AD, Mirza Ghulam Ahmad, and in the year 1889 he claimed to be Mahdi, and in the year 1891 he claimed to be Messiah as well. He was the Masih Dajjal one, just like Pharaoh dynasty. Allahu Akbar. So just like the Pharaoh dynasty. Are you getting my point? So this Masih Dajjal, false Messiah, is the Antichrist, first Antichrist. And he cheated mankind by telling that the donkey, white donkey of Masih Dajjal is actually the coal engine of the rail. And he said he cheated because during his period the aeroplane was not at all invented and it was not used by mankind. Did you understand? So he cheated by considering the coal train engine and the complete train as the donkey of the Masih Dajjal. Masih Dajjal, he just took the advantage of people thought Masih, because he diverted the word Masih Dajjal to the Christian missionaries which are doing holy work of preaching Bible everywhere. So he considered Masih Dajjal to be the Christian missionaries, though his vice regent is now settled in London, the house of the Christians only, but he considered Masih Dajjal to be the Christian missionaries. That is the second point. He cheated. Muslims prophecy say that Messiah will be appearing with the two persons on a white mosque, Masjid Aqsa, during Fajr prayer time morning prayer time of Muslims, with the two persons in two yellow sheets, wrapped in two yellow sheets. And that was a metaphorical meaning of Messiah becoming young. And when the wheat is young, wheat represents the Messiah, the Mahdi, who is wheatish in color, best wheatish, and it is wrapped in the two yellow sheets, that is paddy. It was metaphorical told. So he cheated by telling people that first he claimed to be Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam. He said Messiah himself is Mahdi. Okay. Then he claimed to be prophet. Okay. With the prophets, the last prophet is Prophet Muhammad. There is no prophet to come after that. The prophecy says that Messiah, Masih Dajjal will claim to be the prophet. So he claimed to be the prophet. And he cheated by telling that the two yellow sheets means, based on some Ibn Arabi's book, he said that the two yellow sheets means are the two diseases. One, the frequent urination problem, and another is the mental health problem. This is how he cheated mankind. At third point, it was prophesied in Islam that Messiah will be coming with the two persons from Hyderabad who will be born in Red Hills area with two brothers, three sisters on 24th March 1973. This was a prophecy. So he didn't understand the prophecies because he was not the authority to break open the seal prophecies. He was appointed by Allah through Allah's permission by the shaitan, Iblis, to test the mankind. Okay. So he was supposed to come among Muslims as prophesied. So the prophecy says that already a white tower will be there. White tower of the mosque will be there during Fajr time, exactly on eastern side of Damascus and eastern side of Makkah and Medina as well. And that place will be having one white tower, and the place name will be Masjid Aqsa. So he first claimed to be Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam, and then he said that mosque this is the mosque and this is the tower, he said. Later he constructed it, and before it was white painted, he died in 1908. Did you understand? Now he cheated 3 points. Now before that, people asked, where is the beast of the earth which was supposed to arrive, which was supposed to come and speak? So he said the rat plague gems is the beast mentioned in Quran, and he took advantage of one hadith which say that it will harm, it will injure, and he ignored all 99% hadiths, the other prophecies about the Abatul min al Arz, the beast of the earth, and he cheated mankind, and people out of their foolishness followed it because they saw there is no other person to be the Messiah Mahdi, so they followed in ignorance because they were not perfect. But the true Muslims denied him to be the real Messiah Mahdi alayhi salam, and because he claimed to be the Prophet Nabi, they imposed the word kafir on him, on his forehead, and it was not allowed to enter Makkah Medina. He is taking Bai'at. Bai'at means pledging alliance. It is mentioned in Revelation chapter number 13. Mark of the beast placed on the foreheads and the hands. So it happened. It is nothing to do with the political parties. It was a religious mission completely. Now the same what I am going to say, how did Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and his vice-regents cheat mankind? They cheated mankind through the big, good, very good pious appearance as a Muslim, pious Muslim. They followed Quran and Hadith perfectly. They are very much pious people. They are following the same thing, but the Antichrist 666, the false Messiah, have adopted the form of a true Muslim and cheated the mankind. They collected lot of funds and they grew up to all 209 countries along with territories. Now the present head is Mirza Masroor Ahmad. And did you understand how did they cheat? How did they cheat the mankind? So they cheated mainly in the matter of Masih Dajjal, the donkey of the Masih Dajjal, and the white donkey. They said, the Christians have invented the aeroplane. Now they are turning their minds of the new believers by telling, oh, it is all the Christian missionaries only, they are all only using the aeroplane, so this is the donkey of the Masih Dajjal. But it was not at all present during the time of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad. because it is mentioned the Messiah will be present during the arrival of the Masih Dajjal in a white donkey. So it was the condition that during the lifetime of the Messiah, the aeroplane should be there. It was not there. So he cheated people. See, the Christians are also expecting the arrival of Antichrist 666 and they hate it, and they are expecting the arrival of Messiah. Jews are also doing the same. Muslims and Hindus are also doing the same. But he cheated mankind like that, and he was poet. Did you understand? Now, I was supposed to come among that group only as per prophecies of Islam. So I appeared among them and I was supposed to be born. So I am 100% certified with all the proofs of the holy books of Quran, Hadith. Whatever I have spoken in Urdu language, you can take support of any Muslim person who is speaking Pakistani. Maybe many Pakistanis are there. In America also Pakistani you will find. In Indians and Pakistanis are there in America also, in other English countries also. So the person who are not understanding my Urdu videos can take the example, can take the translation from them, but they will utilize their mind. Don't allow them to say anything from their words. Just tell them, please, whatever he is saying, just translate word to word. Don't add your intention, don't add your own words in it, please. But they add it. They say, no, he is telling. So you do one thing, you appoint a noble person, a Muslim noble person, for the translation of my videos. Are you getting my point? You appoint a Muslim true noble person for the translation of my videos and read them. See, he is the Shankara. Oh, Shankara! He is the Shankar who is one of the witnesses. Who is the witnesses mentioned in Biharul Anwar Hadith as two Romans witnesses of Da'watullahs along with their dog. One is this person and another is Elia. So how he cheated, how the Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Khadim Vice Regent cheated, and they have gone to every part of the world through deception. It is mentioned in the holy book Revelation chapter 13 that they will enter every tribe, every place, everywhere, but that is a false Messiah. Remember, I am the real Messiah, Jesus Christ of second coming. I am here. So Mirza Ghulam Ahmad and his vice regents are going everywhere with the peace. Everywhere they are being welcomed. So the prophecies of Bible have come true. Did you understand? So prophecies of Bible, prophecies of Islam, prophecies of Hinduism, prophecies of Zoroastrians all came true. So I am the